Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can download and install Ark Survival Evolved on PC. So in order to download and install the Ark Survival Evolved on PC, you'll have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your browser, and then on the web address bar, go ahead and type in steampower.com. So basically, in order to access the following game or the Ark Survival Evolved game, you have to install Steam on your device, and through that you can go ahead and install your game. So in my case, I happen to already install it. So basically, you have to go ahead and press the install button when you're on the official page, and when you do that, it's just gonna take you to this page. Go ahead and just go ahead and run the installation program, and after you're done completely installing it, then create an account. Once done creating your account, then log in into your account, and when you're logged in, it's going to take you to this sort of field where you need to go ahead and press on store. So when you're on the store page here, go ahead and tap the search box and type in Ark Survival Evolved. And when you look at the following game that you're looking for, go ahead and press on it. It's going to take you to the info page where you can go ahead and read about the review details and all that. And here, go ahead and press on add to cart. When you do that, it's going to take you to the payment procedure page where you have to go ahead and enter in your payment details and select the way of payments and all that, and you'll have successfully bought Ark Survival on your device. So that's basically how you can install and download the Ark Survival Evolved on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.